Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of CapCut. We go to settings, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on CapCut, then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.